Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today I have a review for you guys. Before we get into the review, I just want to say to everybody who likes, comments, and subscribe to my channel, I just want to say thank you. You guys don't know how much it helps my channel, how much it's just gratifying, and how much I love you guys. Honestly, you guys are just awesome. Today, like I said, I have a review. I went to the drugstore yesterday. I just wanted something new, I guess. I just wanted to spend my money. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But something caught my eye and I saw the Rimmel London eyeshadow palette. They have a lot of palettes like this, which is like dupes for like high-end palettes, mostly for Urban Decay palettes. Like this one is more like the Naked Cherry palette. They have one that resembles the first Naked palette, which I actually have, but I never really use it. Yeah, they have a lot of different ones. They even have one that resembles the Naked Heat palette. But this is the one I chose for today because I had a lot of pinks and I don't really have a lot of pink in my collection, so I thought I would review this one for you guys. It's fairly new. It's not new, but it's fairly new. Like every now and then I think they come up with a different one, so some of them are older than other ones, but for today I thought we would review this one. Yeah, so before we go into the actual eyeshadow look, I just wanted to swatch some of these for you. It comes with a small brush with like that foam thing, an actual brush, but I don't think I'm ever gonna use this. Yeah, so it looked like this. It's mostly all pink. These are more like brownish, purplish colors here. Then you have some shimmers, you have some matte colors, and you have some brow bone colors. And I'm just gonna do whatever, really, something really simple, just to see how like the shadow work, how they blend, and how pigmented they are. Yeah, so I'm just gonna swatch a couple of them. Let me swatch one of the dark ones. Shimmer one, this one. Some of them have just a little bit of shimmer, like this one, it has like the smallest amount of shimmer. And then I'm gonna do like something this. So this is how it looks. Let's see how they swatch on my hand. Yeah, this one is pretty good. I think this one is this one here, which was the color I like the most. So let me just re-swatch it and see how it goes. Sometimes you just need to pack on the colors. We all know that. Yeah, I mean, it's okay, honestly. But it's really, I thought it would be darker than this, but it's not. So we'll see how it looks on the eyes and everything. I'm giving this one. It's kind of sloppy. I don't know, you guys. So far, not so great. So far, not so great. I don't know. Like, to me, this is like, I don't know, just not pigmented enough. Yeah, so these are the colors that I have. We'll just work with that and see how it goes. And if we'll just see how it goes. So as you guys can see, I already have my base on. So we're just gonna focus on the eyes, and I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can see better what I'm doing with the eyes, like I did in my last review. I'll link it down below. If you guys missed it, you can go and watch it. I just zoomed it in a little bit because I need this to fit in the frame, and it's fairly big palette, but I'm just gonna go like this so you guys can see that. Okay, so first I'm gonna take my blending brush like this. I guess we'll start with the color I swatched and see how it goes in the crease. And just so you know, it's pretty powdery and doesn't have a mirror, so I mean, I guess it's okay. I just thought it would be a bit darker, the color. It looks really dark on the pan, but once you put it on the lid, it's not that dark. I just thought it would be a bit darker, I guess. So I really have to, like, I'm packing on more than I usually do just to make it to my liking. And also, I find it was a bit patchy at first, but nothing blending can fix, so that's not too bad. So I'm gonna take the darkest color, which is this one here, with the same blending brush. Actually, no, I'm gonna take A smaller blending brush, and I'm going to take the darkest color, which is more like a brown color. I'm going to pack this in the outer corner. You guys should be careful. There's a lot of, it's really powdery, so just tap your brush before you apply it. Okay, so next I'm going back with my bigger blending brush. I'm going to do the shadow here, just to soften the edges here so it looks a bit lighter. Just here like this. It's also gonna add a bit of like pink color, I guess. It's a really nice color, this one. So next, I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna start with this on the lid with an eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna pack it on my lid. This color is like the most pigmented color I used so far. It's a it's not my color palette. Like, I don't know if I would ever use that, but color is beautiful and it packs on really pigmented. This one is a yes, but so far I only like one shadow. So the only thing is right now the lid is so pigmented that I feel like the crease is not dark enough, so I have to fix this. I'm just going back with the darkest color and blending. Yeah, it's not gonna go darker, so like this, I guess. Next, we're gonna take that color here, the one that we swatched before, this one, and I'm just gonna take the other side of the brush and put it in my inner corner. Just a little bit like this, and I really want to try this gold color, so I'm just gonna take my finger, a clean finger, and I'm just gonna put it on top just to see what it does, I guess. I'm just gonna put it on top of the pink and see. Okay, I fucked it up. Okay, so I just mixed the two together so it gives you like a more frosted look. Okay, so we're just gonna smoke out the lower lash line. I'm done with this look, honestly. No, I'm gonna take the two darkest color. I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line with a same blending brush, really. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this because it's so much fallout. And yeah, so I'm just gonna clean this up. Okay, so I'm gonna go and just finish my eyes and mascara and some lashes. I'll be back to talk to you guys about the palette, see how I like it or if I don't like it, but you guys probably already know. Yeah, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is how it turned out. So I did pop on some lashes and my lips, put on some gloss. Yeah, so in the end, after I finished my eyes, it turned out pretty good. I know you guys probably saw in my face like I wasn't sure about the palette. I wasn't sure where it was going, because even me, I was packing on those shadows and I was like, where is this going? But after I put on my lashes and my mascara and I did my lips, it turned out it's pretty nice, I would say. So going to the palette, I guess I had higher expectation for the palette because I thought like the way I used it, I thought it would be more pigmented. Like those shadows here, I found they were like pretty, they're not sheer, but I just thought it would be more pigmented. You guys saw me pack on like my crease color like a lot to get to this darkness here, like how dark it is right now. Also, it took me a bit more time to blend than usual. Usually my brush is like so good, like I just go like this and it's already blended. So the shadows are a bit like patchy. You guys even saw when I swatched them, you guys can see like the swatches they're almost gone right now. The shadows are not the best quality, but you can make it work. And also like keep in mind, this is only $10. I only paid $10 for this palette. so you kind of have to work a little bit more for it to work for you, I guess. It's a decent palette. Honestly, for the price, it's good. It's just that you have to work a little bit more. What I would have to say is, like, if you're on a budget and you've been eyeing that Urban Decay palette, you're like, oh, I really want it, I really want it. You know what? It's not a bad choice if you go toward this palette and try to recreate the same looks, because you will recreate the same looks. It might take you an extra 5 minutes, but you know what? In the end, it will look the same. It will look pretty similar, which I think is great. It's just don't expect the same quality, because I have Urban Decay palette and the quality is just completely different. It's just not the same. So you can expect like a $10 palette to be the same, but it is a pretty, like, a really good dupe. Let's see, with the shadow colors and even like the results that you get. Some shadows are better than other ones, I would say. Like, some of them are like more reflective. Like this gold color was actually pretty nice. I did put it on top and it covered like really well. And this shadow too, like the shimmery shadows are really nice, except for this one. This is what I have on my inner corner, and I find it was a little bit like sheer. It was more glittery than pigmented. I could put it like this way. So yeah, it's just like some shadows not the best, honestly. That's all I'm gonna say. For me, am I gonna use it again? I'll use some shadows. I don't know if I'll do like a whole look with the palette, but I'll definitely use some shadows because some shadows in the palette are really nice. Would I go out with this? Yeah, I would. Like, it looks good. I'm not gonna be like, oh, my shadow's not blended well or anything like that. If you have good brushes, in the end, I mean, it looks good, right? Would I go out like this? Yeah, I would. Like, it's not ugly. Well, I don't find it's ugly. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna say about this palette. So again, it's the Rimmel London. I have the Crimson edition, so they do have a lot more palettes if you guys want to go check it out. At my drugstore, Rimmel London is almost always on sale. So like I said, I got this one for $10.99, $9.99, sorry, but I think regular price is 13 something, and these are Canadian prices, just so you guys know. So yeah, that's it for this review for today. So again, I just want to say thank you to everybody who comments, like, and subscribe to my channel. Like, I really appreciate it. And you guys don't know how much, like, I really do appreciate it. It's awesome. You guys are really awesome. Yeah, so maybe in the comments, because I like talking to you guys. And that's it for today. So I'll see you maybe in a couple of days. I'm not really sure. We'll see how my schedule is this week. And yeah, so I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.